It's easy to add shapes and lines to your Google Slides. To do this, go up to the toolbar and let's choose the Shapes icon. Notice we have shapes, arrows, callouts, and equation options. I'll just choose a simple shape here. I'll slide over and click on a shape. Then I'll click, hold, and drag to draw the object, and it appears on my page. Notice I can rotate it. I can resize it. And some objects have the little diamond, so I can change, in this case, the rounded corners. Then I can fill the object by clicking on the paint bucket and choose a color, and that quickly changes the color. I can even choose the border color. So if I choose that, let's say I want a darker burgundy, then I can choose the thickness of that, and I can even choose the line style of the border. You can click and drag and move around in the middle. If you get the four-headed arrow, that's to move it. Then I can come up to the top and I can choose the line selector. So here I have different kinds of lines. In this case, let's choose an arrow. So if I click and drag on the arrow, it's on my page. Notice I can move it around on the edges. I also have similar options that I had to the shape. So I can color it. I can choose the thickness. I can choose the line type. I have different options for what I want on the front part of the arrow and then also on the back part of the arrow. So you can change what they look like. Again, you can click, drag them around, or you can grab the tip and reshape it. For the shapes, one more thing you can do, if you double click in it, now this becomes a text box. So I can actually add text in there, and then students could do that as well. So very simply, you can add shapes and lines to your slides to dress them up.